cooking. What we will do? Means we will make something but we will not cook it. ठीक है? हम उसको बनाएंगे नहीं. We don't need any gas और कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. We will need only few things और उसे हम खुद से बना सकते हैं. ठीक है? We will make sandwich. What we will make? Sandwich. And what are the things we require for this? We require bread. हमें क्या चाहिए? Bread. And what else? और क्या चाहिए? Yes. और क्या चाहिए? Very good. Yes. Yes. Bread, cheese, tomato, है ना? All kind of veggies जो भी आपको पसंद है, you can put it. So all of you first take one slice of bread. One slice. हाँ, keep it here. One bread निकालेंगे on the plate. On the plate. One slice of bread on the plate. And now on that bread put tomato and onion pieces. Bread पे tomato और onion के pieces रखिए. With your right hand, you will use your right hand.
Don't open. Leave it. We will open for you. And you have to put this cheese slice on this.
Now you take it out.